Hi, I'm Allison and I'm a rising senior at Long Island City High School. My project is the ultrasonic radar, and what it does is that once you wave your hand or an object in front of the sensors, the buzzer turns on and it beeps. And you can install this as a parking aid and an object detection device, and you can measure distance with this. And what I learned from this project is that polarity is very important for most of the component on the PCBs. And I also learned that I have to read all the instructions very carefully, because the labels on each IC mountings are very small and you barely notice them. And the problems I faced was the polarity for these two sensors. It's very important to check the polarity for each of these sensors, or else the buzzer would go on continuously and it would eventually fry out the device. These resistors shown on the PCBs are used to decrease the current so that it doesn't burn out the device, and these capacitors are used to store energy so that it can release when the buzzer goes on. And these two IC sockets are used as timers, and along with the quartz crystal. And this IC socket is used to identify the ultrasonic sensors. This IC socket is used for input, and this is used for output. This one is used for logic, and these jumper wires are used to connect these IC sockets together. The diodes are used to point the current in the right direction, and the potentiometer is used to change the resistance of the device. And this sensor is the receiver sensor, and this is the transmitter sensor. And when I wave my hand over these sensors, the buzzer goes on. And my next project is going to be a coat rack that indicates clothes according to weather.